Evolution X OS is finally back with version 6.5 based on Android 12.1, and honestly this is actually might be one of the best ever updates for Evolution X OS. It includes a lot of changes, a lot of new things have been added, and now you can say the previous, the old, the legendary Evolution X OS is finally back, because with the previous updates there were some issues, like for example some features were missing there and etc. But now, just like Android 11, this ROM is absolutely great in the terms of features and etc. I'm going to talk about a lot of things in this video, so stay tuned. I'm going to talk about some changes which you have in this latest version 6.5. Of course, June security patch is here, so make sure you're using the latest version. The first change which you, if you are able to notice here, the VoLTE icons. Of course, I don't have sim, so I'll not be able to show you on status bar, but you can see the value. 24 VoLTE icons have been added. So yes, in the terms of customizations, I didn't saw more VoLTE icons than this one in any other custom so far. Even Wu Wi-Fi icons, 7 types of Wu Wi-Fi icons are available, and 24 types of VoLTE icons. This is something really interesting. And yes, if you wanna take a look at all these icons, you can simply install this ROM and find out and explore a lot of things in this latest Evolution X OS. Another change, another new thing which you have in this latest update is the battery bar, which is actually one of the most interesting thing and one of the most useful things. Maybe if you were able to use these things on their devices, if you want to use this kind of battery bar in your status bar. By the way, this option I have used first time with a Resurrection Remix custom, and I found this feature quite useful, quite interesting one. Or maybe it's just for the customization purpose, it's not actually in the terms of feature. But yes, if you need this feature, you can definitely give it a try. If you need this customizable things, by the way, you can get this thing, by the way, installing by this battery bar, by implementing this, by enabling this option on your device. Here we also have some battery icons customizations too. For example, there are now extra icons available for the battery icons. If you don't want that battery bar, you can simply enable these battery icons, and of course battery percentage. So yes, bit of extra options available here too, bit of extra things to customize for your device. As I just mentioned, it includes an insane number of customizations with this update. Same like that, if we move on to the recording section, if you're able to see, if you're able to notice one thing, the skip timer option is there. The skip timer seems to be quite interesting one. Remove 3-second wait, and this is quite useful as far as I know. If you use this thing on a device, if you always love to use screen recording on your devices, you definitely need this thing that's already present. If I move on to the gesture navigation options, here comes some great features, great extra options available for you. For example, the back gesture haptic, gesture indicator, and we also have the space under the keyboard option available, where you can enable this option. Let me show you by enabling this. Narrow, hidden, and all these options are already present here. You also have the option to customize the pill length, pill radius, so that might be helpful for you to customize your device pill like iOS one or whichever you feel comfortable with. For example, if you use this narrow option, you will not be able to see the space below the keyboard, and that's absolutely useful. Basically, this is called IME switcher, IME spacer if I'm not wrong. And now this option is also present, which was, as I think, it was not available previously. If I move on to the other options, things are basically same, but yes, Evolution X OS, this update comes with insane number of features. For example, if you take a screenshot, now you have the Google Lens option available, which was not available previously. So yes, this feature is also implemented. So yes, some things are implemented here and there, looks quite good. And about all those customizations, including all those extra features and customizations, Evolution X already has insane number of things. For example, fonts customizations, custom monet theming if you want to use this thing. If you move on to the status bar customizations, all the useful things are already present. Notifications also has some in-call vibration options available and bit of extra stuff, of course. Quick settings, as expectedly, brightness slider related customizations and data usage in the quick settings footer if you need this thing, and some brightness slider related tweaks also available in this quick settings panel. You also have some options related to power menu, where you can enable the advanced reboot options. Gestures, you just already got to know about all these things, swipe to screenshot, etc. Lock screen, of course, double line clock and media cover art, and I think so it's just enough. Lock screen already has a lot of good things. Buttons, yes, system navigation and show volume panel, per app volume control is also present as expectedly. And miscellaneous, yes, game space, hidden apps, smart pixels, There are tons of features available here, and then go and customize your device like a pro. This feature, this build up from Evolution OS is absolutely good. Install it right now on a device. Link is already available in the description. And these were things I just want to let you know. I hope you like this, and as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Goodbye.